Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our adorable new listing. This one is 10 West Granby Road in Granby, Connecticut. It is a charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath Cape style home. It has the sweetest little perennial gardens surrounding this property, vegetable gardens as well, and just tons of space to enjoy the outside. Look at how cute this property is. Freshly painted throughout, 2 remodeled baths. It's got a partially finished lower level that has tons and tons of space. You've got a family room down there. It's got an additional office and laundry room as well. It's really wonderful. You also have a brand new roof and new siding on this home too. Great fireplace. They've got hardwood floors throughout. The living room here, there's an additional dining or family room back there, and you also have a partially finished basement with an attached 1-car garage, fenced backyard, nice level lot, close to Granby Town Center, hiking trails, biking trails, local swimming and fishing, you name it, it is right here. This one is not going to last long. These sellers priced it to move. You better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.